got my water with strawberries and lemon in it. I said lemon in it, lemon in it. I got my water with strawberries and lemon in it. Hello guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. Today I'm going to give you guys 5 ways to drink more water. Yes, we need water, and I know many of you, including myself, don't drink enough water or wish we could drink more water. So I'm going to give you 5 ways you can increase your water intake with a little bit of effort. Okay, so before I give you your 5 ways to increase your water intake, I'm going to give you a few reasons to drink more water. As water will help you clear your skin up. Yes, ladies, as far as acne and even as far as wrinkles, water will help with the acne and the wrinkles. And also with digestion, drinking more water will help you digest your food, your food that you're eating. Also with weight loss, those of you that are on the weight loss journey, it's going to help with your weight loss, and it's just going to make sure you get to your goal even faster. Also, water makes up about 60% of your body, so it's definitely important to get that intake up so you can keep your water level high. So yes, also lastly, water helps your kidneys as well. So let's get right into it. The first way you can increase your water intake is by keeping a bottle of water next to your bedside. As soon as you wake up, you see the water, you drink water. You begin your morning right, you will end your day perfect. If you drink water the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning, it will literally become a routine, and you won't even have to think twice about it. You will wake up, drink water, and go on throughout your day. My second tip is to find out what type of water you like. There's so many waters out there, and trust me, believe it or not, water does have a taste. Water has a taste. There's purified water, there's spring water, there's artesian water, there's mountain water. There's a list of waters there is out there. Find which one that you naturally like more and stick to that water. For me, I like purified drinking water. Like, this is my water. Everywhere I go, this is the type of water I get, and it just tastes better to me than any other water. So I would love for you guys to comment what type of water and what brand of water you guys drink below. So we're gonna move on to the third one. And tip number 3, find out what type of bottle you like drinking water out of. Believe it or not, the bottle that you are drinking the water out of makes a huge difference in how much you actually drink throughout the day. Like, for example, there's bottles that have a straw in it, and there are bottles that do not have a straw, and you'll just drink it from the top right there. Maybe you prefer to drink water from the bottle itself, from the water bottle, or maybe you prefer to drink water from a cup. Trust me, it makes a difference. I used to drink water out of this water, and literally I would never drink as much as I would like. Once I switched to this one and I'm sipping on the water, it's just easier for me to continue to drink more and more and more water, because I'm sipping water, I guess, instead of like gulping it. So I don't know. Trust me, it's really a thing, and find out what type of water bottle that you actually prefer. Number 4, try infusing your water. I know many people don't drink water because there's no taste and it's for the most part flavorless. Maybe you should try to infuse your water with strawberries, mint, lemon, cucumbers. You can infuse your water with almost any type of fruit or veggie of your choice, and that'll give your water a taste to it, and therefore you will be more inclined to drink the water. I am cutting up strawberries and a lemon to put in my water to give it so much more flavor, and I can guarantee you will love this water. Drink up.
Water break! The strawberries and the lemon makes the water taste so freaking good.
And lastly, number 5, keep water around wherever you go. Keep water in your room, keep water in the fridge, keep water everywhere, at your desk, in the office. Just keep water around you, and you're going to be more inclined to grab that water if it's there, compared to not having any water at all and you think that you're just gonna go to the store later on in the day to get water. Just keep it around you wherever you go, and you're gonna drink more water because you see it and you have it right there with you. Number 6, this is a bonus tip for you guys, as you know I got y'all because we like here. This is number 6, okay? For me, the temperature of the water matters greatly. Depending on the temperature, depends on how much water I can actually drink. For me, room temperature water, I can drink so much more room temperature water than ice cold water. And I don't know if it's really cold and sometimes it gives you brain freeze or just go down cold, I don't know. But I can literally drink room temperature water so much greatly more throughout the day than ice cold water. Okay, so please remember, there are so many ways to increase your water intake, okay? These are just 6, I was gonna say 5. These are just 6 of the ways I use to increase my water intake. So if you guys can do me the biggest favor, drop down any tips that I totally missed and tips that you guys use to drink more water. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching my video, and always stay hydrated. So remember, next time you go in the store and you reach for that soda, go ahead and put it back and get a ice cold water, because you know it will do so much more for you, and you will thank me later. Enjoy.